For those of you who do not winter camp, we would recommend winterizing your unit. We're going to show you a brief explanation of how to winterize using the Nautilus system. You're going to want to refer to your owner's manual on how you should properly drain your hot water tank, your fresh water tank, as well as your black and gray tank prior to this process. You will also want to take care of your black flush tank valves as well. Here's the video on how to properly winterize using the Nautilus system. You will now go to your Nautilus panel and locate the winterize section. Turn your knobs in the direction that the winterize section is telling you to turn them. You will then take a piece of garden hose and put the garden hose into the city water inlet. Be sure to remove the screen prior to inserting the hose. Be sure to screw the hose on very tight to prevent any leaking. A short piece of garden hose would work the best. Once that's attached, you will take the other end of the garden hose and place it into a gallon jug of antifreeze. Once that's placed in the antifreeze, you will turn the pump on. It will begin to suck the antifreeze from the jug. If you have a problem with that, you can go ahead and lift the jug up. You'll then go inside and run the antifreeze through the hot and cold lines of your kitchen sink. Turn on your bathroom sink and do both hot and cold, as well as your toilet. You will then go to the shower and do the same thing, hot and cold lines, and allow the antifreeze to come through. Once all of the interior lines have been completed, go to your exterior lines, any outdoor showers, as well as your low point drains, and put antifreeze through them by opening them and allowing the antifreeze to flow through. You will then remove the hose from the city water inlet, replace the screen, and go ahead and plug it back up. You can then remove your water filter and dump the antifreeze that has been collecting within the container. We advise of disposing the water filter if you have one in there. You do not need to place a new one back in until you de-winterize for the camping season. Put that back on, tighten it up, turn off your pump, and you can clean up any of your antifreeze mess that may have dripped down from the inlet, and your winterizing process is complete.